Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can forward calls on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open your phone application and you have to go to the call setting. You can click on these three dots on the top right and select settings. Okay, and in this call settings, you have to go to the supplementary services. Okay, and here you will be able to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 if you have dual SIM in your Android mobile phone. For instance, I'm going to forward my calls in SIM 1, so I'm going to select SIM 1 and we can choose call forwarding in SIM 1 and choose voice calls. Okay, and just wait for a moment, it's still loading. As you can see guys, we will have some options. We can choose always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. For instance, I'm going to forward my call when I'm unreachable. So I'm going to select this one and we have to set phone number. I'm just going to add random phone number like this, or you can also add phone number from your contact by clicking on this contact icon, and then we just need to click on turn on. Alright guys, then that's all the way to forward calls on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.